Hey PC Polyzine, Katie here. In this video we're going to show you how to make the classic Jellyroll Cane. Condition both colors of your clay, ending with the 2 sheets rolled out on roughly the number 3 setting of your clay machine. The thickness of your clay will determine the thickness of your rolls. Cut both sheets of your clay to the same size. We recommend using longer sheets rather than wider sheets. Stack one color of clay on top of the other, but remember whichever one is on top will be the inside of your jelly roll. Starting at the edge of the clay you just cut, take your index fingers and gently begin rolling the end. This will be the center of your cane. Before you finish rolling your cane, take your tissue blade and cut the edge at an angle so that the bottom color of clay will be slightly longer than the top color. Now you can finish your cane. Gently roll your cane back and forth to smooth the seam. To ensure you don't get any color bleed, let your cane rest for roughly 5 minutes. After that, you can cut your cane and see the beautiful design you created. Hey PC Polyzine, we hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to hit the like button below and also follow us so you don't miss any of our videos. Please remember that you can connect with us through Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest.